Hindi, naglalag pa.
Naglalag pa rin. Naglalag pa rin po ba? Comment down below.
Kanina log. Ganun talaga. Lag talaga dito sa, sa Philippines.
Yes.
Anyway, since you both are from different genre of pop, Shanti as K-pop and Jao as P-pop, my question is, this is from Big Sam, by the way. If there is an advice that you can give to each other, what would that be? What are the things that you've realized being a member of K-pop, P-pop group? Who's gonna go first?
Feeling ko wala na masyadong difference kasi yung formula on how a group is formed and the training, lahat, parang na-realize ko same lang din naman. I mean, especially nung na-meet ko yung mga P-pop dance stars, yung discipline nila and everything. Parang same lang din naman. And confident naman ako na all these P-pop groups na mga kilala ko na, they can go international if they want to. And if talagang, will the Lord, mangyayari yun. So, ano bang advice na pwede kong ibigay? Just keep doing what you do. I know that you love what you do, so yun yung pinaka-important doon.
I agree with Shanti. Sino naman the discipline, the discipline,
Since lang naman tayo ngayon.
The discipline is there. And the talent, oh my gosh. Daming talentadong tao dito sa mundong ito. Tapos, yung pinaka-difference lang is being from different cultures, different countries, K-pop, P-pop. We have our own cultures that we can be proud of. And we have those cultures that we can implement sa ating crafts.
Alamat is the epitome of that.
Thank you. I'm so flattered.
Yes.
All right. This is from Tiny Zucchini 9453. Question for Shanti. Aside from Jao, sino pa sa Alamat ang gustong makatrabaho? Whether dancing, acting, singing, and why?
Oh! Feeling ko si Tomas. Kasi magkakilala na kami before. We were in workshops together before sa Magic. So, may familiarity na rin ako kay Tomas. So, if ever mapa-performance match, or sabihin natin acting, why not? Diba? It would be really nice.
Interesting. I didn't know.
Really?
Walang nalaman. What a small world.
Yes.
Okay.
Ito naman is from Visible.3624. For Chow, which performance are you most proud of and why? What do you think?
Too many to mention. Hindi kasi these past episodes we've been on a streak, and undeniably parang each of those performances are super good and super curated so well by the coaches, kaya it's hard to choose and yun din yung mga napapanalo sa atin.
Oo.
Una yung Sadako, yung Wild na dance hall. Tapos yung Charlie's Angels with JN, choreographic coach. Tapos back then, meron pang isang super favorite ko Kaso di tayo nanalo. Yung samba natin.
Ay, oo nga. Ako din. So yun, ano ba yung favorite? Ako din, parang lahat naman kasi sobrang nagustuhan ko at na-enjoy akong i-perform. Kaya hindi ako makapili. I'm just really grateful na nagustuhan ng mga tao yung performances namin. So I say all of it. Or, para naman ma-excite kayo sa performance namin, favorite ko tong pang grand finals natin! Kasi kakaiba siya, grabe yung pagod ko doon, guys. Ni coach, para mabigyan namin ng justice yung pinrepare namin. So, I'm really excited to show it to you guys.
Yes. Alright.
Okay, next. From Dance Grape 454. For Jao What's your favorite makeup or outfit look from the whole SOTF competition?
Feel like itong last one.
The last one?
Yeah, yung bukas. Makikita niyo yan.
So exciting.
From Visible Dot 3624, for Chow, what has been the biggest lesson you learned from Stars on the Floor so far?
Marami naman. For me, siguro patience, tsaka yung importance ng discipline, tsaka yung not to be afraid to take risks. Kasi, I think na-mention ko naman na ito many times. Sobrang nasa-surprise ako kapag nakagawa ko ng mga nakaibang stunts, ganyan na. Dito ko lang talaga na-experience. So, dahil sa Stars on the Floor, natutunan ko na to take risks. To take risks. To take risks. And
Sulitin mo talaga yung oras mo sa kung ano man ginagawa mo kasi you never know when it will end. Just like right now, patapos na ang season 2! And syempre, kahit na nakaka-stress, makakamiss pa rin.
oo.
Miss ko to for sure.
Piling ko hanapin ko din. Very powerful
True.
Yes.
So, ano ang inspiration nyo para ma-overcome yung mga challenges, especially kapag bago yung genre na mapupunta sa inyo? God bless both of you, Chow. More blessings to come, and I'm always praying for you. Lapis Dims here. Wow!
Hey! Hi, Dims!
Inspiration. Ako, inspiration ko is myself. Period.
I love it. Ako, inspiration ko, siguro yung, iba-iba kasi, depende kung ano yung challenge ko, but I guess I would say, myself din, yung version ko na pag na-achieve ko yun, parang like kung nilolook forward na, once na-achieve ko to, it's another version of me na mas better than who I am right now. So, I'm gonna keep doing it.
Yeah. TikTok comment. Safety first, Chow. Just enjoy your performance, folks. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Good luck sa inyo. Bukas claim na depende sa stunts. Chow, walwalan na bukas. Praying for you. See you bukas. Wish ko ng birthday. Shanty!
Shanty! Happy birthday, Dips! Birthday mo tomorrow. Oh my God. Sana yung luckiness, ma-absorb namin. Ano pa? Champion! I
Yes.
love that.
Ready na kami sundong bukas.
Oo, ipahinga niyo yung mga lalamunan niyo today. Walang magsasalita, ganyan. Para bukas kayo yung malakas na sigaw.
Yay! Yeah. Well, set careful not to please Chow for champion.
Champion. Grand champion. For Shanty, mamimiss mo din ba ingay namin every time na nag-perform kayo? Oo naman, naririnig ko kahit sa mga fan cam na yun. Yung sa ATM.
We posted it, our reaction namin, we were like,
Oo, nakakatuwa. Feeling ko another good luck charm na
yes.
nire-post ni Jungkook yung TikTok namin.
So meron itong question for Jao. What's your favorite song of Lapis? For Shanty naman po, what's your favorite song of Alaman? Ako, favorite song ko sa Lapis, Hit Ya. Yes, yung debut nila kasi parang totoo sa akin kasi nakakita nila na, wow, ang powerful naman nila. Like, they were like, sabi ni Shanty, nasa taas siya, Hit Ya. Oh, tapos ito, this is so, sinend ko kay Shanty nung isang araw. Meron kaming, we were at a same event pala.
Ay, oo nga!
Ayun.
Oo, grabe na amaze ako doon. Na,
Dito siya sa Philippines, yung event na yan, tapos na-amaze na lang ako na, what? May ganito palang nangyayari sa mundong ito.
Kaya nga.
What a small world. Kasi nga magkaduwag na.
yeah, tapos besties na kami.
Yes.
You never know ano mangyayari in the future. Surprising.
How about you? What's your favorite
Ako,
song?
favorite song ko, yung... Wait lang, pinakahuli ko na naririnig yung nakita ko sa TikTok, pero hindi yun yung favorite ko, yung isa, yung Marani.
Ah! Yeah.
Nasa Korea ko, pinapakinggan ko yun.
Totoo ba? Sa Korea? Kumalating sa Korea?
Hindi, sa phone ko, sa ano ko, FYP ko. Nag-trending siya in fairness. Marani. Tapos ginawa, hindi ko kasi alam yung lyrics.
Oh my God!
Yes, I love it.
For Chow, gaano katagal mag-practice before your performance? Like 1 week ba? Tell us BTS na hindi alam ng mga fans. Gaano tagal? Mga 3 days ka na.
Oh! 3 days lang, minsan 2 pa nga eh.
Yes, exactly. O diba? Hirap?
Hirap.
Love it.
Talaga, super.
From Night Monsoon, ang galing mo talaga pareho. Pero bakit pre-show ritual? Ang bilis.
Rap.
Pero bakit pre-show ritual na ginagawa? Ano ang sikat na kagalingan yung pa-share naman? Oh.
Ano? AI.
Secret ng gagalingan. For one chill lang kami ni Shan. I mean, dun ko na rehearsal ganun. Ako, stress.
Oo.
Ganun kami.
Hindi namin fino-force yung sarili namin na parang to go past our limit. So, alam namin kung kailan kami magpapahinga, kailan kami ibibigay yung lahat-lahat. Pero si Jock, pili ko parang hindi. All the time, kahit marking lang, bigay na bigay siya eh. Kaya mapatingin ako sa kanya, ay, okay, hindi na marking. Anyway. Yeah, ano ba secret? Siguro feeling, lahat naman kami mga duos, napansin ko, every time kami magpa-perform, backstage, bago kami mag-perform, nagpa-pray kami with the coach. So, feeling ko, yun yung another added na parang strength and luck sa stage, sa performance namin. Okay, next. Ito
For Chow, paano na-improve ng SOTF kayo? Huh? Paano na-improve ng SOTF kayo at ang pagkakaibigan ng lahat? Ano ang na-feel nyo nung nag-repeat with kayo? Sana mag-4 sa para. Ano ang feeling na mag-end na yung journey sa SOTF? Congrats, back-to-back and back. And Chow for champion. We're proud of champions. So we're proud of this anymore. Yes. Ganun yung pagkakabasa. Kasi,
may emotions ang naramdam. Paano tayo na-improve ng SOTF? Ako sa lahat naman, grateful ako kasi nakikita ng mga tao, like everyone, kahit sino mga ko, lagi nilang sinasabi, grabe, ang laki ng improvement mo sa pagsasayaw, and kahit nga daw, compared sa performance ko, the way ako mag-perform sa K-pop group ko before, parang mas nag-level up pa daw doon. Sabi ng iba. So, I'm happy, and in terms of our friendship, sobrang naging ka-close ko lahat. Pero of course, si Jow yung pinaka-naging ka-close ko. Pero yung naging kadugo ko, of course, obviously. To the point na nagagaya ko na yung mga mannerisms niya. May mga time na nasa ibang lugar na ako, sasabihin nila sa akin, alam mo, nakuha mo yan kay Jow, no? Gumagalan sila sa akin, nagiging Jow ka na, gumagalan
oh my
sila.
God, sino nag-ask?
Lahat, kahit sino mamit ko nakilala ka.
Oh, shocking.
So, ayun. Lalo na ngayon, kasama ko siya, napapaganyan na naman ako. Curious. So, ayun.
For Chow, ano yung pinaka-favorite mong performance sa Stars on the Floor and why? Favorite kong kasi iba yung dance battle dito, parang kailangan wow, parang parang mga wow, yung mga tao. So, hindi mo makapag-decide. Kaya next naman. Ciao! Ano masasabi niyo sa mga fans na palaging sumusuporta sa inyo? Go, go, go! Champion! Ano masasabi natin? Thank you!
Thank you so much. Sobrang nakakataba ng puso. Pero hindi naman ito dapat na magkakasakit. Pero nakaka-touch kasi parang nararamdaman ko talaga yung support nila, yung love nila. Lalo na pag nakikita ko yung stream, yung episodes, makikita ko yung mga votings. Parang hindi ko in-expect na tataas tayo sa rank ng votings. Tapos, plus pa yung nanalo kami, tapos grabe sila makapromote sa social media about us. So, sobrang grateful talaga ako. And all of their efforts, it's all you guys.
Yarn. Or now, Shantae, Jao, pwede ba kahingan ang alam para maaga ako mag-ising? Sure, let's scream. 1, 2, 3, go. Nagustuhan niyo ba yun? Sana nagulat yung mga tao sa labas. Magtataka sila, wow, ano nangyayari dito? Period. Isn't it fun?
Yes, I love Chow. Kaya iboto na ang Chow. Beto kami.
Kumusta naman mga katawan mo? Ay, ito, masakit ang mga katawan namin.
Bugbog, guys!
Ano guys, rehearsals.
Hindi ko na magalaw yung leeg ko, guys. Pagka nakaganyan na ako, nanginginig na siya.
Hindi ko dapat after nitong live ito maka-EP ka.
Yeah, pakita ko sa inyo. Nakalipas na ako niya. Look at this!
Same.
New acquired bruises.
Yes.
Minutes na. Isa lang yun na, iba pa yung muscle aches and everything. Nalalabot na ako, guys. Pero, kaya yan. For tomorrow.
Taray, may tao dito sa phone na to. Sino kaya yan? Tingnan natin. 1, 2, 3, go. Ay! Search me live. Okay. Sana si Shanti ang new soon sa MV ng Alamat. Ay! Speaking of that, sinabi ko kay Shanti na yan ang greatest mission ko for Shanti na someday maging news namin siya sa music video na. Kaya ilalaban ko yan. Stay tuned in the future.
Let's claim it, guys.
Alright. Looking forward to your outfits and makeups tomorrow. Yeah.
Sobrang magugusto na po, guys.
Okay, now we have our last 3 questions. For Chow, may you be blessed with continued good health and prosperity in 20 years. What dance move do you want to do together that you performed on Stars on the Floor?
In 20 years, so 40 something na tayo.
Ikaw yung helicopter.
Ha? Ano ba yun?
Yung nakaganyan ako sa legs. Helicopter.
Oo. Gawin natin yun pag 40s na tayo.
Yes.
Okay, ito. For Chow, what weakness or weaknesses that you have been discovered on yourself here in SOTF that challenged you the most, and how did you handle it?
Okay. Mag-iisay that. Ako, wala naman. Next.
Period, wala. Ako siguro nilalabanan ko lang yung sakit na katawan. Kasi, syempre, hindi naman lahat ng pieces, yung mga pinaperform ko, laging bago siya sa akin. So, tapos kasama na din doon yung challenge na kailangan kong pantayan yung energy ni Jao, yun na yan. As a powerful dancer siya. So, pinupush ko talaga yung sarili ko. And happy naman ako na okay naman yung mga outcomes. So, yun lang. Sa akin lang sa
Hey Shantae, how does it feel to show a side of you we've never seen before? Did you ever feel hesitant, or did you just go for it?
I just go for it. Well, at first I was hesitant. Pero ever since nga na nakaduo ko si Ja, I learned to just go for it. Yung hindi ko iniisip na, nakatakot ganyan. Pag sinasabi niya, let's try it. Oh, siya nga, kung ano ginagawa niya, kaya ko rin siguro. So, just went for it.
Yeah.
I was really happy.
And that's about it. Those are our last questions for today. Kaya thank you so much for sending your questions. Kaya sa mga hindi pa naka-join, join sa ating official subreddit r/Kamuning Station.
And don't forget to watch Stars on the Floor Final Dance Battle bukas, okay?
And of course, vote for Chow. Thank you so much, Dance Universe. Make sure to watch Stars on the Floor tomorrow at 7:15 p.m. sa Kapuso Stream sa GMA. Alam niyo na yan.
Yes!
Pag-pray na naman natin kami.
Opo, please vote for us. And final episode na to! Totoo na to. Tapos na talaga. So yun.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Again, this is Chow. Here.